everyone, I'm Kicha. I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more. Do your parents tell you what to do and what's good for you throughout the year? Well, today is Children's Day and we get to decide what's good for us. Today I'm celebrating with a new and tasty treat. It's so yummy, you'll want to have it every day. And it's so healthy, your mom wouldn't mind at all. It's Zandu Chyavanprash Jaggery. Let's try it. It's delicious. And it's a key ingredient in our recipe. And trust me, it's awesome by itself. But it's as good in this wonderful recipe we're going to be making. Our recipe is Zandu Chyavanprash Jaggery bread rolls. So let's get right to it. This recipe only requires very few ingredients. We have ghee, banana, I'm using really ripe plantain, bread, you can also use wheat bread, and our star ingredient, Zandu Chyavanprash Jaggery. So let's get to cooking. Let's first add the ghee. Now let's add the bananas. And fry them until they are soft and mushy. So the plantain I used was really ripe. The peel was basically a black color, and that's perfect because the riper it is, the better you'll get. One more amazing fact about the Zandu Chyavanprash Jaggery is how it provides 2 times immunity and contains all of the vitamins and micronutrients you'll need. And now continue stir frying this until it's soft and mushy. Now this will make the filling for our bread rolls. As you can see, it's starting to get a bit more cooked and more mushy. Now the bananas are a nice golden brown color and are nice and mushy. So now we can add our star ingredient, Zandu Chyavanprash Jaggery. Just add a good serving. Now we'll mix it up a little bit, and then right after we're going to pulse. Now we're going to mash it up real nicely so it's nice and soft, so we can put it as a filling in our bread roll. You can mush it with the back of a spoon like this. Well, I've been pressing it down for a while now and it's ready. Let's wait for it to cool down. Till then, let's get the bread ready. We'll take a slice of bread and cut the edges off. Now let's do the rest. Now instead of wasting these edges, what you can do is pulse them to make breadcrumbs and use that for various dishes. You could use them for deep frying, you could use them for making different dishes softer or more tastier. The options are endless. Now all of our breads are cut and ready. Let's get to rolling. So we'll take a big piece like this and we'll evenly roll it out on all sides. Once it's rolled out, let's add the filling. Take a nice helping and and spread it out evenly. Some more amazing facts about Chyavanprash is that it actually boosts your stamina and energy, and it does not contain any sugar. It's just jaggery. It also improves respiratory health, which is always better. Try to fill out as much as you can. Now let's roll it. Be very gentle while rolling it because it can tear. And voila, we got a nice roll. Let's place it here and do the same for the rest. Roll number 2. I'll be back once I finish making all of them. And the rolls are done. Now let's serve. And our dish is ready. Let's taste. It's delicious. And I'm sure kids will love it. And it's so healthy, moms will love it too. Kids are happy, moms are happy. Watch out for my other 2 videos using the Zandu Chyavanprash Jaggery. Super taste, super immunity. Bye guys.